Hey, it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something slightly different. Rachel from Roxy Creations hosts a weekly challenge called Roxy's Weekly Challenge, which I always admire from afar, but I never seem to have the time to actually do them. But they're always amazing projects. So I will link her channel down below. And I saw she put out a video last week making these vellum envelopes out of book pages and all sorts of different things, and as soon as I saw it I just knew I had to try it. It looked great, so I grabbed my vellum, I grabbed all sorts of different scraps, and I thought I would have a go at making these. So as Rachel said in her video, there's no like measuring or anything like that, and I was sold because I am also the same. I don't like to do loads of measuring. I just like to be creative, have fun. So I thought this would be a really great project to make a few pockets, maybe for my junk journals, to use in my altered book. If you're following along with my altered book series, I think these would be really great. So I will leave a link down below to Rachel's video where she goes through the whole process, and I just thought I would make a few. So I've grabbed all sorts of different papers. So I've grabbed music sheets, book pages, brown paper, and I just thought I would experiment with different papers and see what I like. And I've also grabbed some patterned papers as well, and a whole heap of different things to cut out to decorate my envelopes. Gosh, I'm just so excited about this one. So, and I've also got my vellum here, and Rachel was using beautiful printed vellum, which I don't have, and my printer's out of ink, so we'll just have to go with plain vellum for now. But I just thought this was such a fun idea. So what Rachel did is she took a book page like this and folded up at the bottom and then inwards at the sides. So this is going to be a bit long, so I will trim this one to the length I would like. So if I want it to be, let's see, this wide, I'll just fold it and then fold it in and then trim that off. And then you just cut off the square at the corners so that it's not too bulky. This paper's not too bad, but if you're working with thicker paper, I can see how cutting the corners off would make it a lot easier in your corners. And then what I need to do is just trim my vellum to size, because I'm just working with A4 sheets here. And these don't have to be perfect at the side because you're not going to see these bits of the vellum anyway. And then take a glue stick and just pop some glue across the 3 flaps that we have, and then pop our vellum inside, and then we just want to fold. So I'll fold the inner pages in here first and then fold up, and then just trim off. I've got a little bit of excess vellum and paper here, so I'll just trim that up just so it's nice and neat. And there we have a pocket that has a little vellum window. Isn't that cute? I just, as soon as I saw these, I was like, I have to make these. So what I'm going to do is probably make a few of these, and then I will show you how I am going to decorate these, because I've got lots of things to the side here. I'm thinking we could have some floral imagery, some lace. I've got little butterflies here. I've got all sorts. So what I'm going to do is make up just a few of these first, and then I'll be back to show you how I'm going to decorate these. But aren't these just the cutest?
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see too.
here are the envelope bases that I have created, just with various different papers. So this one's like a book page, a music sheet, and just did a brown paper one as well, but I'm not so keen on that one, but we'll see how it looks when it comes to decorating. Even this one, I made sure that when I folded the paper it showed through some of the imagery, and I just think these look really cute. So what I'm going to do now is decorate these. So as I said, I've got various bits of things I want to use to decorate these. I think I might cut out one of these flowers, maybe attach some lace, and I've also got these as well that I can use to cut out. I want to use this tall flower, so I want to make sure that it fits on the one that I choose. So I think we're going to do this one perhaps, or maybe this one, not sure. But I want to cut out this flower to use within this. So I'm just going to use my little, these are like embroidery style scissors, and I really enjoy using these for fussy cutting. So I'm just going to roughly cut round this and then go back in and cut round it neatly. And then because we are going to be working on vellum, I have these little bits in the middle that usually wouldn't annoy me, but because these are going to show through with the vellum, all I'm going to do is just take my craft knife. I'm just going to trim these. There we go. So it's not exact, but it will do. And thinking about it, this card would have actually been really nice to use for an envelope as well. So yeah, as you can see, this is probably going to look really nice on, which one should we put it on? This one here maybe. I feel like it fills the envelope nicely versus on that one. That one could probably do with something a bit extra. So let's put it on this one. So that looks really nice. And then maybe I'll put some, where did I put the lace? Maybe some lace behind this, because then you can still see through. Maybe if I just chop a little bit of this off, just as a bit of interest behind our floral image. There we go, just a tiny little bit. And I'll just maybe put that in the corner here, just to cover that join. There we go, and it's nice little bit of background for our floral image. So I really love that. So I'm just going to glue that down, pop a little bit of glue on this lace, and then glue this. So I'm just going to grab the back of this just so I can really make sure that I'm getting glue on all these little fiddly bits so that they are nice and secure and stuck down on our page, or on our envelope rather. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna have to do some surgery as well. I always end up doing that, but it's fine, you won't notice. So let's see, this is the bottom, isn't it? There we go, and then we'll just pop this here, you'll never know. And there we go, that's what our little pocket looks like, and you can see the inside of it there. That looks so cute. I think I might just add a little word or phrase. So I don't often use many digitals or like printable things, but I found these labels from an Etsy shop that's called Pink Monarch Prints. Bought them myself, not an ad or anything, and I just thought they were really cute. I've been using them throughout Junk Journal July, and I printed them onto sticker paper to make them really easy to use. So I thought maybe we could pick one of the phrases from here. Let's choose Carpe Diem, and we'll just cut it out. So like I said, I've just printed these on sticker paper, so it makes it really easy then for me to use them in my journaling. But I don't often use many printables, I must be honest, but these little labels and sayings seemed like they'd be really cute in my journal, and I can't peel the backing off. There we go. Nope, nearly got it. There we go. Yeah, so I just thought these would look really cute in my journal. And we can pop one maybe over a bit of the join here. Maybe we'll add some washi tape. I always seem to want to add washi tape to everything, so I have a few just in my pencil case here. They just so happen to match actually, so these might be some good washi tapes to use. So let's pop one of the grid ones on this maybe. If I can just find the end of the washi tape. Do you find that you can never find the end of the washi tape? Because I feel like that's the bane of my existence when I'm doing journaling or crafting. I spend ages trying to find the end of my washi tape. There we go. So maybe we will, if we just pull this up ever so gently, because I always seem to do this, and just pop that underneath. So we've got a bit of a layered look going on. So that's really, really subtle. And there we have the completed vellum envelope. So thank you so much, Rachel, for sharing this tutorial. I've really enjoyed this, and now I'm going to go and decorate all of these envelopes to put in my journals and my altar book. So thank you so much for watching. I love the tutorials that Rachel shares every week, so do check out the hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.